Hi you guys, today I'm going to be showing you this U-part wig from ISEE hair. So first things first, I'm going to start off with parting my hair. This time I decided I wanted to do a side part instead of a middle part. So I'm just going to go ahead and section that off. So after I section my hair off with the hair that's going to go underneath my U-part, I just decided that I wanted to twist it away because I was only going to put the wig on for the sake of this video, and I just wanted to show my girls that don't know how to braid how easy it is to do your hair underneath the wig so that you don't have to worry about braiding. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair up in a ponytail and then go ahead and apply my wig right after. Now, I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig, but I just want to say that this is not the hair straight out of the box. It does look a little frizzy because, you know, I was playing around with it and I had like thrown it in my closet before I made this video. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put the clips in on my hair. I will say that the combs in the hair were moving a little bit. I should have bobby pinned the hair down instead of, you know, just using the clips for some extra security. So if you do end up getting this wig, make sure you do, guys, use bobby pins just for some extra security. So before I go ahead and flat iron my U-part wig, I always like to put on this hair polisher just to make my hair feel nice and soft and give it that shine. So after I finish putting that on, I'm just going to go right into brushing my hair just to make sure that everything's all put together, and then after that I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron my U-part wig. And now that I am done flat ironing my U-part wig, I'm just going to go ahead and move on to flat ironing my leave out and trying to get it as straight as possible. Now I will say, looking back on the video, I probably should have put more bobby pins in since the combs did decide to move. So if you do decide to wear this wig, again, put some bobby pins in just to secure it a little bit more. As you can see, I'm trying to like readjust it to make sure that it's in place. But yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron the rest of my leave out. And now I'm just going to go back in with some edge control just to smooth out my edges. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my styling tutorial. See you guys in my next video.